Good afternoon. I am Maria Magdalena González Domínguez. I am currently studying a degree in business and project management unit. I'm studying an online class in 2013 with high school 5 years ago. After that, I finished high school in 2008. Currently, I'm studying simultaneous careers. I'm always want I careers in logistics and transportation because I'm working in a warehouse a few years ago. It is that for me like to know more about warehouse and logistics, but at the same time I am also interested in the business manager career at United. Both careers are related to each other. I'm even happy to take the same subjects. I think that there is a problem for my future might have. But even so, I would like to finish my bachelor degree and a master degree. I'm on hope to finish thanks to the university digital mediators, tutors and college which help keep me current. I must that it's not an easy job and have even recognized that it was about decisions both roles. For bakers, the decisions is very important to me.